Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to test primary ignition current and voltage. This is a current clamp. The model is CC65. First, plug the current lamp into channel 2 of the scope. Set it to 10 amp and 08 and plug it into the channel 2. Next, place the clamp around the supply wire of the coil. The next lead is for the voltage test. First, plug a 20-to-1 attenuator into channel 1 of the scope and plug a test lead into the attenuator. Connect a crocodile clip to the negative plug and place it onto a earth point. Connect a back-pinning probe and to the positive plug of the lead and back probe the ground wire with it. And now we can start the engine to begin. Now the voltage and the current waveform appears. The upper yellow one is the voltage waveform and the blue one is current waveform. But the current waveform is inverted because of the wrong direction of the clamp. We just changed the current clamp direction and the waveform inverted now.